welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's me, it's I, Chacha. So guys, today's video. Okay, first of all, I'm sorry that I've not been posting on this channel. I just want to use the opportunity to actually apologize to you guys. So um let me sit down first and then just to you guys. So right now I just moved into a new apartment and I want to be doing some little interior, or what I call it, DIY interior decor in my apartment. It's not actually a big apartment, it's just a self-con, a room, toilet, and bedroom. And toilet and bedroom and kitchen, sorry, it's veranda and balcony. So I just want to be doing a little one or two touches. So first of all, the kitchen cabinets is not so good. So I decided to use this sheet. I'm sitting on this right now. This sheet, I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, I want to use it to cover the cabinet and make it look good because I don't think painting or spraying it will work. I'll leave a video of the cupboard. Yes, I'm on the listing right now so that you guys can see what it actually looks like. Then I'll also be showing you guys when I'm done covering it with this wrap. I just hope it gives me what I have in mind. Anyways, so let's just use it like that. So let's get into this video. Please and please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do want to subscribe, like, comment, guys. If you actually love this kind of videos, please comment down below. So let's get into this right now. Morning, guys. So I'm up now. It's been long. I did exercise. So guys, bananas akara. I'm at the shop right now. Yeah. Yesterday everything goes so well the way I planned. After I left my friend's place, it's there raining seriously, so I couldn't vlog much. So I'm here this morning at my shop. Nothing much, waiting for customers. I was waiting for customers. So guys, I have some couple of little things to do. Pardon the noise, please. I have some little things to arrange. I need to write down some list because I want to go into the market to get some things for the shop. So when I'm done, I'll still show you guys what's up today, what's happening today. So just stay tuned. So guys, this was my naked meat yesterday. I did it. It just contains salt, maggi, curry, and turmeric. So this is it. So I'm about boiling it. So guys, this is the I've finished boiling the meat right now. It's very hot. Once it cools down, I'll shred it. Because what I'm making is vegetable sauce. I want to shred the beef inside. So yes, this is it. Then this is our So guys, this is the food. As you can see, this is the rice, this is the sauce, and this is the plantain. Bon appetit!